and stuff. But today I'm going to do some ribs. I'm going to do some barbecue ribs. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in my Nesco, which is a 6-quart roaster oven. Just like the big turkey roasters, except it's a 6-quart. It holds a smaller. But I've got one rack of ribs here, and I'm just going to cut them in half. The reason I'm doing that is because so they'll fit better in my roaster oven. And I'm just going to rinse them off. Now I'm going to add a little water in them. That water helps surround them and helps them to cook better. I like for mine to start coming over the tops of them a little bit. There you can see how much water that I put in them. Now I'm going to add a few things. Now I'm big on spices, and I'm not real good at measuring my spices. I just sort of eyeball it and put it in as I like. But I'm going to put probably in about a tablespoon of butter. That just gives a little extra flavoring. And then salt and pepper. If you like a lot of pepper, you know, just salt it and pepper it the way you prefer. You might want to add a little extra salt than normal. Then I'm going to use some paprika. And I'm just putting it into my liking. And a little cilantro. Some garlic powder. Or if you've got some chopped garlic, you can even do that. It'd give it a little bit stronger flavor. And I'm going to add a little bit of Cajun seasoning. Cajun seasoning has a little bit of spice in it. Okay, and I'm going to cut one small onion. And I'm just going to slightly dice it. It don't have to be little bitty chunks, or just however you want to do it. Now I'm going to put this in my roast pan, and I'm going to let it sort of slow cook on about 300. And it'll probably take it right around about 2 hours. And after that gets done and cooked, I'm going to come back and we're going to put it in the oven for a little while with barbecue sauce on it. And you can also put it on the grill too if you wanted to. But it's so hot here today, so we're just going to put it in the oven. But we'll be back when we get it ready to go in the oven. Welcome back, y'all. Our ribs is done, so I'm going to get them out and we're going to barbecue them, and then we're going to stick them in the oven for about 30 minutes on about 350. See how good them looks. Now, one of my favorite barbecue sauces is Sweet Baby Ray's, but one of my other ones, when I can find it and get it, is Sonny's Barbecue. And I like the sweet. They have different brands in it, but I like the sweet. So that's what I'm going to put on this. And I'm just going to got a little carried away there. That's all right. We'll put it on the other one. But just coat them real good because you're going to put them in and they're going to caramelize the ribs good. If you don't like the sweeter kind of barbecues, you can use any kind of new flavor that you want. A lot of people like the vinegar-based kind. But I like to coat mine pretty good. Just have your oven ready on about 350. Have it preheated and ready to go in. You can even do these outside on the grill. Would be real good. But like I said, today it's really been hot here, so I try to make sure I get all the way around them good. Okay, I'm going to stick this in the oven and we'll be back in about 30 minutes. Let me get a knife and we'll put it in. Okay, now see, they're good and tender. With ribs now, your bones, sometimes they'll curve on you. So sometimes they're a little bit hard to cut. But they're good and done and tender. There they are. We hope you like and enjoy, and remember to subscribe and keep tuning in. I'll try to put the videos out. Thank you all. God bless.